Come to Jamaica for the holiday and we party every night, every day and make we go the beach pan a sunny day and live wild no matter what people say. Just a pack of Durex, good that to me well. Additional blue cologne, give me the smell. And a bag of call credit for me digis. Make we shout everybody figure 80 I me well. School that na me and na me rum, so you know I say me happy, me happy. Somebody everybody happy, somebody everybody happy.
Morning, day 2. And let me close the door because we're on the AC. The room get hot. Anyway, day 2 in Jamaica, y'all. And I'm gonna get my ear done today. Despite ignore my morning face. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I be a fruits may eat for breakfast and lunch. Dinner, I'll eat what my grandma cook, but well, baby. This is my first East Indian. Yesterday, I ate 2 Julie mango. Today, I'm gonna mix this East Indian up. Oh God! I'm gonna mess this East Indian up. But it's a little past 7 right now, and my hair appointment is at 8:30. I'm taking out my braids. Still going. So, I need a plastic bag to throw away the mango skin, you know. Mango sweet already. But one thing I don't like with East India mango, you see when it's sweet and you work your way growing and you just go buck up on the sick. I get my upset. Nice. Baby, you're nice and clean. Looks like it's gonna rain today too. I'm gonna get my slippers. So guys, me just come out of the braiding shop. 8:30 them say about 9 o'clock now. And I'm still not ready, so today's gonna be an all-day braiding hair. My cousin is gonna come stay with me. But she said she'll wash first, so then my local cousin, my mother, go drop them off and stay with me. So yeah, it's gonna be a whole day thing. But I'm glad to get it out of the way early. To that Thursday, nothing really go on, so that's good. And then at least my ear we done, so that's like one less thing to worry about when I'm getting dressed or anything, or if I'm going anywhere. So yeah. Oh, I didn't even show y'all the hair. So y'all will see the style that I'm getting, but I bought the expression here with the red at the end. This is my first time trying any type of colored hair, even in weave. So I'm excited, but I'm nervous because I don't know if it's gonna match my skin tone or whatever. But if it don't, you know, good girl I go rock it same way, like say I know nobody business. So yeah, when my cousin come over vlog, I just feel like say I'm awkward. So like with me and somebody else in the shop just by ourselves, we're not gonna really talk. So we'll see. Guys, I'm gonna go and detangle my ear because girlfriend, my hair is nappy because it was in braid, so I took it out. So of course it's a little tangled, so I'm gonna detangle because I don't know if both uno, but I'm afraid of my ear. When anybody comb my ear, I'm afraid of it. So I forgot comb my throat.
Right, them things I can't see, that can't see. Okay, no, I want you to not receive you, but that's it, and I want to see it completely. Hi, Frida! Yeah, man, when you're ready.
And we picture them sleep and the man them sleep and no for you sleep and picture them. I mean I sleep and dance with them. So guys, we left me left go. I go find something to eat now. Kim say wagwan.
Wagwan.
I go find food. My ear soon don't still. I'm going to up and so and it's kinda tight. But other than that, I'm good. I'm not have to come for a couple of days. Couple months. Weeks actually, weeks. So that good. Maybe I'm start to fire cook shop. You know something right that's what it is? Oi! Ayo! Me never see that. So, yeah.
Them are mad.
Me don't know what it is, so.
Jesus
Man, you know
Christ.
if you get catch for you. So where's it to your head? Me too short. See you there? Me? Me not go beach me and do me here. Chucky, you turn big man. Me know you look so.
What kind of food everything there?
Is the food done?
No, it's a food.
Not prime time.
Yeah, body party in the airport?
I want to smell fried chicken. But I'm on a breast. As long as I'm a breast. Oh. Tini, you
know
want 5 months in my bag? Yes. Oh,
brown stew and then sit there. Brown stew gravy and curry. Pork. Regular pork and brown stew.
Regular. What regular?
With the ketchup.
Yeah, put your regular.
Regular one. Not too much worries. I shop the place, huh? The patty I not sell up, so yeah. Look here. We can get a little bit of yaki, do a little piece of breast. Eh? No breast, she don't want a breast. But me want one little teeny bitty piece of breast and a little ackee. Make sure it's a yaki on the whole pile.
I'm done. I'm gonna move fast for them, man. The shield, man.
From the front done?
Mm-hmm.
We done.
It will be done fast. Continue. Some food there.
One little teeny bitty piece of breast. Eh? Let me see it. Put a little ackee and a little piece of something. And a vegetable. You see?
Like everything?
Yeah. One night.
Chicken not nice.
I go where are they then?
You feel ready?
No, I'm not playing. Yeah.
Yeah, but that bad man is supposed to walk like a blind.
If you bake chicken on there, sitting there.
I him one cook?
Oh, Jesus. So much meat I put in there? Wow, fuck. Yeah? Oh. Right one of Africa like fire. Yeah.
I'm saying go and bag.
Mafia. Oh, boy, Jesus. Where's that guy who run good?
Where the fuck? No, maybe where the fuck?
Nobody.
Yeah.
And next time I come there, they go for the food come back. Yes. Yeah. Don't know where they need on.
You need to watch your backside.
Hmm?
Yes, man. You need to watch your feet.
My body get them.
You must stop there.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't gonna now?
Me say. You never know so it's sweet. New the chat. Watch it, boom. You still are watching the car where they ain't come there.
Ready?
Still at it, people. Still at it. I get tight, you know.
And I didn't see the yes, all of them must take it for you.
I wanted that little bit of one. I'm a good fan. And you can do it. Nuff Love? I don't think I I'm a laptop. Alright, I can come out on face now.
Smile.
Smile for what? Sometimes when them do end, to them they end part of them now, so
I want to make an expression in a hard picture sheet. No matter what you do.
yeah.
It's our cousin. Timmy, my name is Timmy. This I want you to subscribe, like, and share.
Yeah, me I got 40 tomorrow.
It is burning Shadi.
No, girl.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that. So guys, ooh, my ear done. Sorry, me catch it was my ear done. Try show on the back. Show them the back.
What is it?